Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Yanieki. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are yet to subscribe and you have just girl, wait for say. If you have just found my channel, thank you so much. But before we get into this video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Guys, remember to subscribe, click the post notification bell at the side of the subscription button so you guys can get notified whenever I post a new video. So as y'all can see down below in the title, nothing too, just a little nice little video that I'm going to be doing, sharing a list of shows that they're just the best of all times. This list, before I even start, this list may be short of a few shows, but I remember them from the top of my head. So I'm just gonna give a listing. I'm not going to be talking about them, I'm just going to be listing out the names for you guys so you guys can see or go and check it out if you have not yet checked it out. So without further ado, let's get into this video. First one on my list is my all-time favorite. You cannot put anything above this TV show for me, and that's on period, that's on per, that's on everything, and that is Teen Wolf. Guys, they are actually doing another part to it. It has it has 6 seasons. The 7th one would be the one that's coming out now, Teen Wolf the movie, which I am crazy about. I'm so excited about it. But yeah, before I even go in depth on my favorite show, I'm just going to continue the listing. Next one is Game of Thrones. Guys, you cannot go wrong with Game of Thrones. Like, how can you not like, much less love Game of Thrones? It's really on my top listing. It's definitely my number 2 favorite shows to watch. Next one on my list is Vampire Diaries. As y'all can see so far, I'm just at the 3rd show on my list, and y'all can see that I'm a series lover, as I said before in previous videos. But not only that, I'm really interested in supernatural type of shows. I love supernatural shows. So Vampire Diaries, as I said, it has 2 spin-offs. So go and watch Vampire Diaries, and after that you guys can watch the originals. Then y'all can just go watch Legacies, which is just a big combo. Like, y'all have to watch all 3. Next one on my list is Pretty Little Liars. I really love this show so much. I dropped off the wagon with the spin-off because they do have a spin-off. It is called The Perfectionist. I think I really need to watch over that show from the starting because I don't know why I didn't get to finish watching it, but I'll definitely watch it some other time. Next show on my list is Blacklist. The other one, Blind Spot. After Blind Spot, we have Grey's Anatomy. This is a doctor show, guys. Like, y'all need to go watch Grey's Anatomy. It has 18 seasons. I'm yet to watch season 18, but I mean, I see a series with so many seasons and I sat down and watched it. It has to be interesting, so you won't go wrong with these shows on my list. Next one on my list is True Blood, another supernatural show. Really love watching True Blood. Really love hearing when he calls Suki like Suki. But y'all, go and watch True Blood. Next show on my list is Stranger Things. I've been binge watching Stranger Things, and if you have watched previous vlogs that I have done, I've been telling y'all about Stranger Things, hooking y'all up on the good shows. Like, go and watch them. Next show on my list, because as I say, I just edit, and it was on a previous list, I don't know what the on the list here, is The Good Doctors. It's like Grey's Anatomy as well. I started watching Good Doctors first, but for them just to watch Grey's Anatomy, watch Grey's Anatomy. But I did say I already watch one doctor show and it's interested, so why am I going to watch Grey's Anatomy? But it actually did work to watch, so yeah. With them I talk about Good Doctors. Yeah, you guys can watch Good Doctors. Next one on my list is The 100. Why are you coming out of hello? Come out. Sure. Next one, The Outer Banks. Really nice show. Then we have Dynasty. We have Jane the Virgin, which is based on, I know I said I wasn't going to talk about them in depth, I was just going to give you the listing of the names. But Jane the Virgin is actually about a show that a virgin girl, Jane was a virgin, still was a virgin during all of this. She was accidentally artificially inseminated with another man's sperm, and boom, baby come. Y'all need to go watch it. It's not a spoiler, definitely not a spoiler, because you have to watch that show to actually understand it and get the point that I'm trying to reach. So yeah. Next one is All of Us Are Dead, which I did say in my Netflix recommendation show before in my previous video. All of Us Are Dead is basically a zombie like show. Next one on my list is Riverdale. Really love Riverdale. Again, I know I'm not going to talk much about the show them, but Riverdale is definitely worth watching, even though the ending part of Riverdale was a bit quite drawn out, if I should say. But otherwise, y'all definitely should watch Riverdale. Next one on my list, I'm binge watching it right now. It's really a nice show. It's called Outlanders. Very 50 Shades of Dirty in the centuries them. Yeah, it's really worth the watch. So far I am in love with the show. It's giving mixed emotions. I mean, it's giving mixed emotions, which is worth it for me. So guys, I'm currently editing this video right now. I forgot to mention, say, if you are a fan of Game of Thrones, The Outlanders is definitely a show that you would love as well. Next one on my list is The Order. Then we have The Witcher. After The Witcher, we have Orange is the New Black, which is a female jail where we get to learn about a lot of characters, different personalities. A lot of stuff happened in that show. Next one on my list is 13 Reasons Why. Then I have Who Killed Sarah, and then I have The Marked Heart. After that I have Shadow Hunters. Then the next one that I have is You, and then Lock and Key, then Virgin River. I also have Sweet Magnolias. I've said these shows in my previous videos. Guys, that was the last on my list. I did say at the front of the video that I will not miss out a lot of shows. Obviously it's missing out a lot of shows that I'm not remembering right now, but so far this listing, I can tell you that is definitely worth the watch. All of them that I've said is really worth the watch. So yeah, we have made it to the end of this video. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. The goal is 1K subscribers, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm working towards that because that's my first big actual goal and aim for YouTube. So yeah, just subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Tell a friend about the channel, tell a family member about the channel, let them tell their friends and family member. And this is how I grow, this is how we grow. Yeah, because y'all know y'all my fam. Yeah, right, this song. So yeah, have anything else to say? Bye guys.